This is just a short video about checking what the wiring is supposed to look like on the fuel sender for a 1993 Toyota. This is a North American spec. Driver sits on the left. So I'm over on the passenger side, on the right side, just sitting on the ground by the back tire. There's the fuel door, and I've got the fuel sender disconnected. It's just a plug that sits in the top of the tank. And it's got a little catch on the side that you press in. It's kind of hard to get my arm in there and still have the video, but let's see if I can zoom this. So right now I've got the top popped open. I'll talk about that in a minute. But there's a little catch right here that you need to push in and then just lift the connector off the sender. You can do it with one hand. You don't need to get two hands in there. So my gauge is reading below empty all the time, and it turns out it's because of this broken wire here. So there's a little lid that you can see there's hinges on one side of it, and there's little catches on the other side. So I just stuck a tiny screwdriver in there and popped it up. There's 3 wires that come into the plug. So my thumb right here is on the catch. The wire close to the catch to the right is yellow with a red stripe. The wire close to the catch on the left, which would be towards the rear of the car when the plug is plugged in, is brown. And the wire to the far side, where I move my finger to the right, is yellow with what looks like a black stripe or a blue stripe. It's kind of hard for me to say. And as best I understand, this yellow one that's not broken in the video here is the low fuel light that comes on when the tank is almost empty. And this one here that's broken is the sender. So I'm going to fix that, and we'll snap the little cap down, plug it back in, and that'll be a fix. That's all.